Welcome to Home of Math, Algebraic Expression. This video we will simplify some expression. Last video, it means part 1, we had completed A to L, around 12 math we completed. This part we will start from M, and let's see how many math we can complete in this video. Let's start. Number M, we will simplify. This fraction in numerator x square minus 2x minus 15 divided 5x minus 25. So first we will factorize x square minus 2x minus 15. So 15 means 5 times 3. Again 5 minus 3 means 2. So we can write like this: x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 15 plus 3x. Then here we take common 5, so x minus 5. So here we can take common x, so x minus 5 plus 3 common, again x minus 5 divided 5 x minus 5. Now we will take common x minus 5 and here x plus 3 divided 5 x minus 5. So x minus 5 out. Our answer is x plus 3 divide 5. Okay. Number M done. Number N. Here is also one fraction, but we have to factorize numerator and denominator. Similar, this one we can write x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15, right? Because 5 times 3 means 15 and 5 minus 3 means 2. In denominator, x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. 5x plus 3x means 8x. Now take common x, so x plus 5 minus 3 common, again x plus 5. Denominator x plus 5 plus 3, again x plus 5. So here is x plus 5 times x minus 3 divide x plus 5 times x plus 3. So here x plus 5 out, and our required answer is x minus 3 divide x plus 3. So number N done. Number O. This fraction in numerator x square minus x minus 6, this one we can write x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Minus 3x plus 2x means minus x, and 3 times 2 means 6. And look, here is x cube minus 27. This one we can write x cube minus 3 cube. So we can take common x. So here is x minus 3 plus 2 x minus 3. And it's looking a cube minus b cube. For factorization, we know a cube minus b cube means a minus b. It means x minus 3 times a square x square plus ab. It means 3x plus b square means 3 square means 9. Okay. Then x minus 3 x plus 2 x minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 9. This one we cannot do anything. So x minus 3 out. So here is x plus 2 and here is x square plus 3x plus 9. So this is our answer. So we already complete 3 math, it means up to O we already done. Number P. This algebraic fraction we are seeing in numerator a square plus 6a minus 16 and denominator a cube minus 8. So in middle term factor we can write a square plus 8a minus 2a minus 16. Why we are writing this one? Because 8 times 2 means 16 and 8a minus 2a means plus 6a. And a cube and 8 we can write 2 cube. Then we can take common a, then a plus 8 minus 2 common, a plus 8, and this one is a minus 2, then a square plus 2a plus 2 square. And here is a plus 8, then a minus 2, and here is a minus 2, then a square plus 2a plus 4, right? So this a minus 8 and a minus 8 we can out. So our answer is a plus 8 and then a square plus 2a plus 4. So number P done. Number Q. A square minus 4ab minus 12b square divide a square plus 4ab plus 4b square. So this one is a square. Look, here is 4ab and here is 12b square. So we can write like this, plus, sorry, here is minus, so minus 6ab plus 2ab, minus 6ab plus 2ab means minus 4ab, and 6 times 2 means 12, minus 12b square, right? Then we can write in denominator a square plus 4ab 4b square. It's looking, look, a square plus 2 times a times 2b plus 2b square. Okay, now look, it's looking a plus b whole square, and here we can take common a, so a minus 6b, and here we can take common plus 2b, so here is a minus 6b, right? 12 divided 2 means 6 and b square divided b means b, and this one we can write a plus 2b whole square. So a minus 6b, a plus 2b, and here is a plus 2b times a plus 2b. So a plus 2b out, and our answer is a minus 6b and a plus 2b. Okay, so P done. Look, in first part we said this algebraic expression is easy to challenge. Okay, so we are going challenge mode, and we know you are practice at home very smartly, therefore these types of video or these types of math you can solve easily. My video just support you. Number R, 6a square minus 7a minus 3. So here is 6 and 3 constant, we can multiply so it will become 18, right? Now this 18 we have to make minus 7. How? Look, 6a square, 18 means what? 9 times 2 is 18, and 9 minus 2 is a 7. So we can write 9a, then plus 2a, then minus 3, divided 3ab plus b. Or we can take common here b, then we will get 3 plus 1, right? Now look, 6 and 9, the LCF is, or common part is 3, and here is a and here is a square, we also take common a. So 2a minus 3, and here is plus 1 common, so 2a minus 3, divided b 3a plus 1. So we can take common 2a minus 3, and then 3a plus 1, divide b 3a plus 1. So 3a plus 1, 3a plus 1 out, and our answer is 2a minus 3 divided b. So number are done. So now number S. Let's turn next page. This fraction 2x square minus x minus 2 divide x cube minus x. So 2 times 1 means 2. So it means 2 minus 1 also equal 1. Why we are writing this one? Look, 2x square minus 2x plus x. Minus 2x plus x means minus x, and here minus 1. And here is x cube minus x, we can take common x, so x square minus 1. So here we can take common 2x, so x minus 1, here is plus 1, x minus 1, and here is x, and x square minus 1 we can write x plus 1, then x minus 1. So here is 2, here is x minus 1, then 2x plus 1, and here is x, x plus 1, and x minus 1. Now look, here is x minus 1 and x minus 1 out, then here is 2x plus 1 divide x and x plus 1, and this is our answer. Number S done. Number T. Here is qz plus qr plus 16z plus 16r. Very interesting thing. qz qr, 16z 16r. So here we can take common q, so z plus r, and here we can take common 16, again z plus r, divided z plus r. So here is z plus r times q plus 16, and here is z plus r. So z plus r out, q plus 16 is our answer. Number U. pz minus pq plus 5z minus 5q. Similar thing. So we can take p. So z minus q, and here we can take common 5, again z minus q, divided z minus q. So here is z minus q times p plus 5, and here z minus q. So this one and this one out. Answer is P plus 5. Okay. So number U done. And this video or this part we will do 2 more math. One is V, another one is W. So let's start. This phase we can solve this one. Now look, z minus z hx minus hg plus 13x minus 13g. So similar thing. So h we can take common, x minus g, and 13 common, x minus g. So here is x minus g. So x minus g common, here is h plus 13, x minus g. So this one out. Answer is h plus 13. Final math of this part, f square a minus f a square. So common thing is f and a. So in f minus a. Okay, denominator f minus a. So this one and this one out. Finally fa. So this video we are solving lots of math. Hope first part and second part, once we complete practice at home, you will learn lots of things, and also your exam practice become very good. So first part you will get in the description box, and next video we will do more algebraic expression which we already told. Now look, we can say after this, in this part we complete, we had started from M and we complete W. Therefore we solved how many math? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 math we solve in this part. So here is 11 math. So first part and second part solve. Next video we will start from part second, which is number 2, simplify. Similar thing but little bit more challenging. Till then, take care of yourself and keep practice at home. And finally, my request, don't forget subscribe the channel.